We need to change the pi number to the current pi number. All other parameters we don't need to change because they're the same as the previous pi. We just need to change the starting LP, which is 28 feet for this current pi. We don't need to change pi dimensions, but let's take a look at what we have in pi wizard. So the pi area and parameters are the same as the previous pi. We can use this wave speed of 14,000 here. We really don't know the wave speed for this pi yet. We will just use wave speed auto detect later on. So you can just put the estimate of wave speed here. On the concrete pi, you can use this wizard to help you. The default wave speed 13.5, which is okay for now. To change hammer, click on any area under hammer and type the keyword to filter down the hammer list, which will be much shorter and easier for you to look for the right hammer. This hammer is D70, so type 70 here, and is ape D7052. Now we are ready. Hit start drive and wait for the contractor to start. We wait and wait and wait. I'm going to trim down the video because the actual wait time is much longer. Once driving start, results are updated in real time. Hit LP++ or the N key to increase the LP. Auto LP will be deployed in the future. Right now, auto LP in this example is simulated, not the actual number. The wave speed is not quite accurate. Click on wave speed auto detect to have the best evaluations of the wave speed. Let's look at different vertical plot to see the legends. Move the mouse to that area and see the legends of each plot. Different stresses here, energy, and stroke height in red. You can pull or click on the slider to change the time scale. Click on the graph selector or use the hotkey F5 or F6 to view different graphs. So this is F1, F2, and V1, V2. Now let's keep looking at other vertical plot. TSN is the case method within the first 2L over C, where TSN GAPA is per signal matching. Because of that, is always more accurate than TSN case method. If the contractor stops pi driving, you can click pause, and right now it's in pause mode. You can add nodes. Nodes can be added anytime, during driving as well as in pause mode. You can type directly in the blank space or click on the cue cards. As the contractor is not ready, we can click on the GPC review. In GPC review, users can go to any blows. So just click on the mouse on the vertical plot or use the paste down to going down on the vertical plot. Or paste up to go upward on the vertical plot. Vertical plot can be presented in LP as well. The right axis is the tip elevation. And here in GPC review, user can view different vertical plot, just like in data acquisition. Let's see the signal matching results for NGAPA blow number 1. In the beginning of the data acquisitions, the wave speed was 13,500. We later auto-detect and it was 13,700, but we never reanalyzed that. So the match quality will be slightly differs now when we bring up the manual NGAPA. So it's just slightly different. The wave speed, this is the wave speed that we use after the auto detect wave speed. We run a few mini auto improvements using the F3 or F4 button. Match quality now improved to 1.65 and then 1.63. We then can close NGAPA and return to GPC review with the results updated into GPC review. Let's see all the blows in the blow list. Blow number 2, NGAPA was never auto-ran because during data acquisition, the computer lacked time to compute. So it skipped blow number 2 when it ran signal match. All other blows have been auto-ran with signal matching. Let's run manual signal match for different blows. Blow 84, the match quality should be the same because the wave speed has been the same after we use the auto wave speed in data acquisition. Let's see if we can still improve the match quality, the match, signal match. We can hit F3, F4, and now the results improve. This node table shows the damping, the quake, and all other parameters along the pi. We close this NGAPA, and the results will be updated into GPC review. So now we have 0.76. Click on NGAPA to run all the analysis from blow 84 all the way down to blow 95 using the model that we just manually improved. So that's done. So all the results updated from blow 84 to blow 95. You can click on different blows to see the results there, or click on blow list to see the updated results from 84 to 95. We then click on NGAPA again to run all the blows from blow number 1 to all the way to the end. And this time we select all blows so that it will use the existing parameters and improve using the existing parameters. Now all the blows have been reran, and you notice that because we reran everything, we have the results for blow number 2 as well. Click Save and return to GPC acquisition. So now we can resume pi driving. Click on Resume and just wait for the contractor. So we sit and wait for the contractor to drive. Again, I'm trimming the video because the wait time for the contractor is actually longer. And boom, we will see the next blow any second.